Assalamu alaikum KG class. How are you? Hope so you all are fine and enjoy learning at home. Just stay at home because stay home, stay healthy. And today's my topic is related to English and this is this concept. My topic is related to this concept. So let's learn this. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a cat. And now look at the next picture. What is this? A boy is picking one thing in his hand. So, what is this? I like it very much. You also like it very much. This is an ice cream. So, now you have to open your English book page number 5050. Here you can see here is this concept. You can see here a green tree. Here is a green tree with apple. So, it's apple tree and a cat is sitting near the tree. सो यू हैव टू नो वे शुड वी यूज़ दिस हमें दिस कहाँ यूज़ करना चाहिए इफ़ वी हैव वन सिंगल पर्सन प्लेस और वन थिंग विच इज़ नियर टू अस आर हैंड कैन टच इट अगर हमारे पास कोई एक चीज़ शख्स कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे करीब है जिसको हमारा हैंड टच कर सकता है तो फॉर डैट थिंग यू कैन यूज़ दिस इज़ ओके सो नाउ लुक एट योर बुक दिस इज़ अ फैन. First object is fan. This is a fan. The is this is a pen pen and the next is and fan. You have to circle the correct word and that one is fan. Next object is this is a cap. Cap and the next one is gap. So this is cap. Then you have to circle the correct word cap. Next is here. This is a van. Here is two word ma and man and wa and van. So this is van. So you have to circle the word van. Next one is this is a tab. Tab. Lap. So you have to again circle the correct word. That one is tab. Last one is this is a mat. Mat will start with letter m. So at a mat and for at a fat. Two word. You have to circle the correct word. That one is mat. This is a mat. So learn it as well at home. Read it with phonic sound. Read it carefully and circle these correct word. Have a good day. Thank you. Wait for my next video.